Hey YouTube, I don't know if y'all can really see any of this, but I'm playing white noise on by myself with lights off and volume up. I've already started everything, but I just decided I'd start recording it because people said it was supposed to be scary or something. What is that? This is suspenseful. That tombstone almost scared me whenever I turned real fast. I don't know what's on that. It looks like a person, kind of, if you hold it at the right angle, just like the legs of it. I've already got the tape that's over there. Oh, I heard it. Oh, God! Jesus! Oh, God. Okay, so... oh my God, that was intense. Like I wouldn't scream, and that's whenever I died. Okay, well, it's the replay thing. Probably can't even see it. Yeah, you can't see it. Well, here. There we go. This is the replay. I made a complete circle. Well, what was on? This is a creepy game. I suggest you try it or something. I mean, it's really fun though. So, see you later.